What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Lily, and today we're diving deep into the strategies you need to know to grow your YouTube channel in 2025. We're not just talking about tips and tricks. We're talking about building a real sustainable audience. You've got ideas and passion burning inside you, ready to explode onto the screen. But how do you get people to stop scrolling and actually click on video? How do you cut through the noise? It all starts with your thumbnail and title. These are the gatekeepers to your content. Think of them as your movie poster, the billboard for your video masterpiece. It's the first thing anyone sees, the initial point of contact. Your thumbnail and title are your digital handshake, your first impression, your opening statement. They work together, a dynamic duo, a power couple. The thumbnail grabs attention, it's the visual hook. The title gives context. It tells the viewer what to expect. Use bright colors, make it visually appealing. Use expressive faces, show the emotion, and intriguing images for your thumbnail, something that sparks curiosity and begs to be clicked. Your title should promise a solution, a way to fix a problem, a laugh, a moment of joy and entertainment, or a story, a captivating narrative that pulls them in. The right combo is your first step to YouTube success. It's the foundation upon which you build your viewership. Imagine scrolling through thousands of videos, a sea of content. What makes you stop? What makes videos stand out from the crowd? It's the thumbnail that pops, the one that screams, "Look at me!" And a title that sparks curiosity that makes them wonder, what's this all about? Your mission, should you choose to accept it. Create a thumbnail and title package that's so compelling, so irresistible people can't help but click. They to know what's inside. This isn't about clickbait. We're not tricking anyone here. It's about smart marketing for your content, presenting it in the best possible light. Before you hit record, before you even start filming, think about the story you're telling in that tiny square, that little window to your world. And the promise in your title, the value you're offering to the viewer. A great video with a bad thumbnail and title gets lost, buried beneath the avalanche of content. But a good video with a fantastic thumbnail and title, that's a recipe for success. That's your shot at going viral, at reaching a massive audience. Be your own biggest hype person. Believe in your content and let your thumbnail and title reflect that confidence. This first impression is the foundation of your video's success. Build it strong. Don't let your content get buried. Don't let all your hard work go to waste. Make it stand out from the start. Grab their attention and don't let go. Ready to level up your YouTube game? Let's get this bread. Let's make some magic happen. Let's go. Let's get specific. We're diving deep into the world of thumbnails. These small images are your video's first impression, and they can make or break your viewership. So how do you make a thumbnail that demands attention? How do you cut through the noise and get those clicks? It's a combination of art and science, and we're here to break down the key elements. Rule 1, be bold. Don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd. Use bright, contrasting colors. Think about color combinations that pop and grab the viewer's eye. Colors that stand out, even on a tiny phone screen. Remember, most people are browsing on their mobile devices, so your thumbnail needs to be effective at a small size. Add big, bold text. Make it impossible to miss. Keep it concise, 3 or 4 words max. Text that adds to the story, not just repeats the title. Think of it as a teaser, giving viewers a hint of what's to come. Show emotion. Humanize your thumbnail. Human faces with real reactions. They're incredibly engaging. Shock, joy, surprise. Create instant curiosity. Intrigue your potential viewers. Make viewers wonder, what's happening here? Leave them wanting more. Use curiosity. Show a before and after. Highlight a transformation. Or highlight something mysterious with arrows or circles. Guide the viewer's eye. Give just enough info to spark interest, but not so much they don't need to watch. The goal is to entice, not to reveal everything. Keep it clean and high quality. No blurry, cluttered images. First impressions matter, and a blurry thumbnail screams unprofessionalism. Focus on one main subject for a simple, effective design. Simplicity often wins. Study top creators in your niche for inspiration, but develop your own style. Don't just copy, innovate. Brand your thumbnails so viewers instantly recognize your videos. Create a visual identity. Consistency builds trust and recognition. It helps viewers find your content quickly. Your thumbnail is your invitation. Make it impossible to ignore. Make them to click. Now go create some clickable art. Experiment, iterate, and refine your approach. Your next viral video starts with a single image. It's the gateway to your content. Make it count. Every pixel matters, let's move on. Got a killer thumbnail? You've poured your heart and soul into creating captivating visuals that stop scrollers in their tracks. Now you need a title that works for both people and the algorithm. It's the next crucial step in getting your video seen. The algorithm is like a robot librarian, meticulously cataloging every piece of content. It needs keywords to know what your video is about. Think of them as the algorithm's cheat sheet to understanding your content. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These platforms are designed to help you uncover the secrets of search, to find what people are searching for. Uncover the exact phrases and terms your target audience is using. If your video is about vegan lasagna, make sure those words are in your title. Be direct and clear about your video's topic. Think like your viewer. What would they type to find your video? Put yourself in their shoes and anticipate their search queries. But don't just stuff in keywords. Make your title exciting for humans too. It needs to be attention-grabbing and intriguing. Combine keywords with emotion or curiosity. Tap into the viewer's feelings and pique their interest. The life-changing vegan lasagna recipe. So easy. See how it combines the keyword with a promise of simplicity and transformation. Start with the most important keywords, then add a hook. Prioritize clarity, and then inject some personality. Ask a question, make a bold claim, or use numbers. These are proven tactics for boosting click-through rates. Numbers promise a clear, organized video. Viewers appreciate structure and easily digestible information. 5 mistakes you're making. It's a classic example of a number-based title that generates curiosity, or top 3 tips. Short, sweet, and to the point. Your title is your promise. Make it compelling and deliver on it. Don't overpromise and underdeliver. Maintain viewer trust. The perfect title formula. It's a blend of art and science. Keyword plus emotion or curiosity. This combination is a recipe for success. Don't sound like a robot. Add personality. Let your unique voice shine through. A great title is your gateway to more views. Make every word count. Each word is an opportunity to attract a viewer. Remember, the right title gets you noticed by both people and YouTube. It's the key to unlocking organic growth. Keep testing and improving. Your next viral hit could be one title tweak away. Never stop experimenting and refining your approach. Let's keep building. We're just getting started on this journey. Next up, what happens under the hood? Stay tuned, let's go. We'll dive deep into the inner workings of the YouTube algorithm. Your thumbnail and title got the click. Now optimize what's under the hood. The first 2 lines of your description should naturally repeat your main keywords. Use the rest to add details, links, and context for both viewers and YouTube. Tags aren't as crucial as before, but always add your main keyword and a few relevant variations. Be specific, not spammy. Chapters break your video into sections with timestamps, great for viewers and for search. Chapters help people find what they want and give YouTube more context. Use every tool to help your video get discovered. Small details add up to big results. Now let's talk about keeping viewers watching. You got the click, now keep them watching. Audience retention is key. The longer people watch, the more YouTube promotes your video. Hook viewers in the first 15 seconds, tease the best part right away. Skip long intros, get straight to the value. Show energy and passion. If you're bored, they'll be bored. Edit ruthlessly, cut out every dull moment. Keep the pace fast and engaging. Use visuals, B-roll, text, graphics, and quick cuts to reset attention. Don't just talk, show what you mean. Change up the visuals every few seconds to keep eyes on the screen. A dynamic video keeps viewers glued. The higher your retention, the more YouTube will share your video. Make every second count. Keep your audience hooked from start to finish. That's how you turn clicks into loyal fans. Ready for the next step? Let's keep growing. The video's over. Don't let viewers leave. Turn one view into a binge session with playlists and end screens. Playlists group your videos by topic, making it easy for viewers to keep watching. Organize playlists with clear, searchable titles and descriptions. Link to videos within playlists so the next one autoplays. Curate a journey for your audience. Guide them to more of what they love. End screens are your final call to action. Use the last 5-20 seconds to add clickable links to related videos or playlists. Always include a subscribe button and a video that's closely related to what they just watched. Or let YouTube pick the best for viewer option. Never end abruptly. Always guide viewers to their next step. More watch time means more growth. Use these tools to keep your audience engaged. Don't waste your end screen. Make it work for you. Let's talk about building your community. Growing in 2025 means building a real community. Use the community tab to post updates, polls, and behind-the-scenes content. Keep your audience engaged between uploads. Ask questions, get feedback, and make your viewers feel involved. YouTube Shorts are your ticket to new audiences. Quick, vertical videos under 60 seconds. Repurpose highlights from your main videos or create fast, attention-grabbing content. Use Shorts as trailers for your channel and bring new viewers into your ecosystem. Combine community posts and Shorts for non-stop growth. You've posted, now it's time to check your analytics. Your click-through rate, CTR, shows how well your thumbnail and title are working. A high CTR means you're nailing first impressions. A low one means it's time to tweak. Audience retention graphs reveal where viewers drop off. Fix slow intros or boring sections. Look for dips and improve those moments in your next video. Check where your traffic comes from. Search, browse, or suggested videos. If search is strong, your keywords are working. Double down on those topics. Analytics are your roadmap. Don't guess, use the data. See what's working and do more of it. Let the numbers guide your next move. Every video is a chance to learn and improve. Don't fear the data, embrace it. Analytics turn good creators into great ones. Keep testing, keep growing. Your next breakthrough is in your stats. Let's wrap it up. We've covered a lot, but here's the big picture. Growth on YouTube in 2025 is about smart strategy, consistency, and being yourself. Start with a powerful thumbnail and title. Make people want to click. Deliver value fast, keep energy high, and use visuals to hold attention. Fill out your description, tags, and chapters for discoverability. Use playlists and end screens to guide viewers to more content. Build community with the community tab and reach new fans with Shorts. Check your analytics. Let data shape your strategy. Consistency is key. Set a schedule you can stick to. Don't chase perfection, focus on progress. Every video is a step forward. Stay passionate, keep learning, and apply these strategies. You've got this. Now, go create something amazing. If this helped, drop a comment or subscribe. Your YouTube journey starts now. One love. See you in the next video. Let's make it happen.